Okay. So I want to make this video because I wanted to. So if y'all remember, I'm pretty sure daily challenges used to have like names for each bird before the event. So let me just like name them. So for red, it would be called Red's Rumble. For blue, it would be called I don't know. I forgot blue. For like Chuck, it was called Chuck's Challenge. For Matilda, it was called Matilda's Mayhem. For Silver, it was called Silver's Slam. For Bomb, it was called Bomb's Blast. And finally, for Terrence, it's called Terrence's Trial. So yeah, we're gonna make this video just because I want to see like what names would work for all 6 extra characters. Starting with Stella. Stella, I don't really know. I think it should like relate to like what the bird does and just like a challenging word overall. You know, with like red, it's like Red's Rumble, and for bomb, it's like Bomb's Blast. So I don't know. So for Stella, I don't know. To be honest, so these daily challenge names, they have to do with like alliteration. So for Stella, the next word has to start with S. So what am I thinking? I'm thinking like Stella's well, Slam's already been taken by Silver, so we can't do Slam again. Well, for Stella, it'd be like Stella's Slurp? I don't know. Stella Splat. I don't know, because like she splatters her bubbles everywhere, I guess. So I guess it would be called Stella Splat. For Stella's daily challenge. Now for Hal. So Hal, I don't really know. You know what? I think it'd be called Hal's Hurdle. I guess that's a pretty good name, right? Hal's Hurdle. I guess that could be like the name if Hal took over the daily challenge. I guess. I don't know. And now for Bubbles. Okay, Bubbles is a no-brainer. Bubbles Burst. That's so easy. It's kind of like Bomb, because Bubbles blows them into balloons. And what do balloons do? Balloons burst. So yeah, Bubbles is a no-brainer. Bubbles Burst. Leonard. I don't know. It would be called Leonard Slime if Leonard started with the letter S. But like, we can't do Leonard's Lime. Leonard's Limp. Leonard's Leonard's Last Chance. No, it can't be 2 words. That's not how it works. Leonard's Leonard's Lap. I guess Leonard's Lap. I don't know. Lap is like a challenging word, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do for Leonard. Same thing with Stella. I don't know what to do with her. Okay, now for Melody. Melody, she's kind of weird. I don't know. I guess she'd be like. I mean, she eats everything. I guess it could be like Melody's Meal. Yeah, that's an awesome name. Since she eats everything and she's a turkey. So I guess it could be called Melody's Meal. So now for Shade. It's letter S again. I hate the letter S. Silver took Slam. Silver Slam, Stella Splat. And for Shade. Shade Slap. No, that's stupid. Shades. I don't know. I mean, Shade phases through everything, so actually I got it. It's Shade Slash. Shade Slash. Yeah, I guess that could work. I don't know. Okay, so here's a recap of like every single name. Stella Splat, Hal's Hurdle, Bubbles Burst, Leonard's Lap, Melody's Meal, and Shade's Slash. There you go. That's all I can think of. If you have any other ideas, then let me know. Bye. Bro, I'm just editing the video, and I just come up with like a really good name. Melody's Munch. I should have said that in the actual video. Unfortunately, I didn't. What a shame.